Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. As Diwali is around the corner, let's make some unusual design pedas that will amaze everyone. It needs just 3 ingredients and it's really fun to make. So into a pan add some ghee and add mawa. You can crush that before adding into the pan. Once it gets heated up, it will slowly melt. At that point, add some sugar and mix it. After some time, the sugar and the mawa will get melted. Cook it continuously till it becomes thick. In between, add some cardamom powder for the flavoring. Once it turns slightly thick, take around 2 to 3 tablespoons of mawa into another bowl. Add cocoa powder into the remaining mawa and combine. Cook till the mixture becomes thick and separate from the pan like this. Now take this chocolate mawa into another bowl and allow it to cool down completely. It can be chilled to speed up the process. Once it cools down, take small portion of the chocolate mawa, make it into a ball and start shaping the diyas. After shaping the diyas, let's shape the cotton wick with the mawa we set aside. Now it looks like the real diyas of Diwali. When you serve these Diya Pedas to your guests, they all will be amazed. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.